Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, and in this video you're about to discover exactly how to make a very powerful first impression. So check this out.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking, and if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you can get notified the next time a new video is uploaded. And one of the most challenging parts of any communicator that I see today in today's modern world is most people don't know how to make a great first impression. You know, if you look around, you might see them in the office, you might see them everywhere, where they make very kind of mediocre, very weak first impression. And maybe you might have some of those challenges where you don't know how to make a very great first impression. In fact, this is one of the things that we talk about a lot, and we teach you when you decide to come to the Confident Speaker Conference. And if you want to know more about that, make sure you call the number and book one of your spots for the next year's Confident Speaker Conference. This is our practical workshop where we teach you how to become a confident speaker. And the tip I have for you right now, if you really want to overcome that mediocrity, the average, the weakness of your first impression, is this. And let me give you the tip on how exactly you can improve your first impression. This tip I learned from Jim Camp, one of my mentors, who has been always the most feared negotiator in the world. He actually took part in a lot of negotiation for FBI and the government, so all the big time, you know, when you negotiate with terrorists, so when you negotiate big deals for governments, he actually was the consultant for that. So he taught me a lot about negotiation and how to make a very bright connection with people. And what he talks about in many of his programs is this: you are always safe when you are in the other person's world. You're always safe when you're in the other person's world. That means that when you are trying to make a good first impression, whether in a meeting, okay, or in a WebEx conference, or at a party, or if you're going for anywhere, you're meeting a stranger, if you want to make that great first impression, don't just be about yourself, but be in the other person's world, meaning get to know them. You are always safe in the other person's world, right? So be there and just be involved, be interested in them. And that's when you're going to see that they're going to open up to you, and they'll be like, oh my God, this person really is very interesting, and this person has a great first impression, because that's who you are. So let me give an example. Let's say the next time you go to a party, what do most people do when they go to a party? Let's say you go to a party where you don't know most people. So this is not a known party. It's a party of somebody that you don't, you know the person, the host, but you don't know the other people. So most people go to the party and they are like, when will somebody come and tell me hello? Hi. Hello. Right? That's what most people do. But if you really want to be confident and want to make a first impression, you will see that the people who are charismatic, they go into the party and they're not waiting for other people. They go and say, hi, my name is Vishal, what's yours? By the way, what do you do? And you involve yourself in the conversation. So the next time you go to a party, you can do that. You can actually be the host, act like you are the host. When next time you're giving a meeting or a presentation, don't think, oh, I have to give the presentation. Be the host, go there and talk to people. Take an active part in other person's world, and because you're always safe when you are in the other person's world. That's my tip for you right now. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And like I said, if you want to come and get all the tips of how to make a very great first impression, come to the Confident Speaker Conference. It's our most practical public speaking course. It's the #1 most practical public speaking course for subject matter experts and professionals in India. You can call the number right here and get to know more about the program. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.